close behind. Official eating contest rules are in full effect. Any regurgitory reversals will result in disqualification.
Attaboy, Johnny. Show those nuts who's boss.
Are you joking? An eating contest?
What? It's good for morale.
Surly.
Hold that cranky response. I got you something.
A Brazil nut?
Yeah, it's exotic. I thought you might like.
That's really sweet. I can't believe you saved it for me. But, you know, I won't take food from the nut shop.
Well, that was supposed to play out differently.
Living off the nut shop was okay in the beginning, but look at what it's become.
And Jimmy tries to take the lead with his patented hammerhead technique. What a tremendous effort!
Classic.
This is not what animals do. We work hard, we store, we save. Look at all of you, lazy and spoiled and fat.
Who you calling fat?
Come back to the park, Surly. It's where we belong.
I'm a weapon of mass destruction.
Come on, buddy. This is gonna be a stealth mission. Don't tell me you're scared. There's nothing safer than a dark alley. Ah! Just a lovable little dolly. Okay, that's a little creepy. Dead end. This is bad. It's been nice knowing you, buddy. You scared us, you cute little guy. Boop.
And don't call me cute.
Oh, got it.
My name is Mr. Fang. I was cursed with this big, adorable eyes and this fuzzy little body. Why are you here?
I need your help to take back the park.
This park has everything we need.
But the mayor wants to destroy everything.
I got bigger plans than trees. An amusement park!
They're gonna destroy the park.
That's not good.
Don't you see? We're all animals, and we need to look out for each other.
We are in this together.
If we want to stop the mayor and his goons,
It's squirrel season.
it's gonna take everyone.
What should we do?
Try to not get killed.
I'll try. But I can't make any promises.
Individually, we might be tiny, but together we're giants.
Roll over. I said roll over.
What are you doing? Roll over.
I don't know how. I'm not classically trained.
Go get him, boys!
I'm a weapon of mass destruction.
Drink up!
Mangy little rodents think they can stop me? This is gonna be fun.
Meet my new friend, Mr. Fang.
He's so cute.
That reminds me, don't call him cute.